everyone, and welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Mackenzie, and in today's video we are going to practice partitioning shapes. This means we are going to practice dividing shapes into equal parts. For this activity, we are first going to create a number spinner. We will label it with different amounts that will help us divide our shapes. Then we will create shapes using clay. To do this activity, you are going to need clay, a marker, scissors, paper fasteners, just one, a toothpick, 2 paper plates, and glue. Let's get started. We are first going to take our paper plates and our marker. We're going to trace out a big circle right here with the indentation. If you don't have paper plates, you can also use construction paper. Do the same on your second paper plate. We want our circles to be the same. Now we are going to cut out each of these circles. Remember, hold the scissors away from your body and cut carefully. Always ask an adult for help. Put the extra paper plate to the side. Now we are going to glue these 2 pieces of paper plate together. This is going to be the base of our spinner. To do this, simply place some glue on the bottom piece. Now put the top piece on top. Push down and then set it aside to dry. Now we are going to take some of the extra piece of paper plate. We'll just do it like that. And we are going to trace 2 double-sided arrows. Like this. So a normal arrow would be like this, but we are going to add a second arrow at the end so that it is double-sided. We're going to trace another one, and we want them to be the same size. Well, that's need to do a little bit longer. Now you're going to cut these arrows out. To make this easier, I'm going to go like this. Remember, hold the scissors away from your body and always ask an adult for help. Let's cut out our arrows. Put all the extra paper plate to the side to be recycled later. Now you're going to glue these on top of each other to make one solid arrow. Once you glue them, set it aside to dry. Now we are going to take our spinner from earlier and our marker. We are going to separate it into 8s. To do this, we're first going to create a line straight down the middle and then another line horizontally in the middle. Now, to make it 8 pieces instead of 4, we are going to draw one diagonal line from the left to the right and another diagonal line from the right to the left. And now we have 8 pieces. We are going to title each of these squares. We'll do 1, 2, or half, 3, or thirds, 4, or fourths, 5, or fifths, 6, or sixths, 7, or sevenths, and lastly 8, or eighths. Now we are going to take our arrow from earlier and we are going to color it. I'm going to use a blue marker. Then we are going to connect our arrow to our spinner. To do this, you're going to take your paper fastener and we're going to poke it through here. You might need to use scissors to create a hole first. Ask an adult to do this part for you. Then you're going to do the same with your arrow. Place your fastener through the arrow and through the hole. Then we turn it upside down and we fasten it like this. And just like that, we have a spinner. Now we're going to set this to the side and we're going to take out our clay. For the activity, you're going to need some clay. First, we are going to make a circle and then we are going to create a rectangle using our clay. Just like that, we have a circle. Now let's create our rectangle. Now that we have our shapes, we are going to take our toothpick and our spinner. We are going to hit our spinner. And whatever it lands on is what we're going to separate our shape into. This one is thirds. So we are going to take our toothpick and we are going to separate our shape into 3 equal thirds. So to do this, you're just going to draw a line in your clay. So now you see that my circle has 3 pieces and it's 3 thirds. We're going to do the same for our rectangle. This is 3 thirds. Now we'll turn it over to use the other side. We're going to hit our spinner again. This one is 5 fifths. Now we have 5 fifths. What about our circle? Four fourths. Now we have 4 equal fourths. And just like that, we have learned how to separate shapes into equal pieces. Continue spinning your circle and separating your clay shapes. Thank you for joining us to learn today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more fun videos.